Every time you twist open a plastic bottle, you are launching an invisible invasion into your own body. These pressurized caps shed microscopic polyethylene particles directly into your water, particles so small, so silent, and so relentless that your body has no defense prepared for them. Your veins are no longer just carrying blood, they are transporting permanent chemical debris. Here is what the science is now revealing. Spectroscopic analysis of the average 1-liter plastic bottle has identified approximately 240,000 nanoplastic particles suspended in the liquid before you take a single sip. And the simple mechanical act of twisting that cap, that friction, that sheer force is actively generating more with every opening. The convenience of click-lock seals and pressure-fitted caps has inadvertently turned every bottle into a microscopic debris factory. Each sip delivers a fresh dose directly into your system. Once swallowed, these fragments do not simply pass through you. Inside your gut, the smallest particles, nanoplastics measuring less than 1 micrometer, exploit a biological process called paracellular transport. They slip between the tight junctions of your intestinal lining. Others are actively taken up by specialized immune cells known as M cells, which pull foreign particles across the gut wall as part of their normal surveillance function. This is the critical crossing point, the moment plastic moves from outside your body to inside it, from your digestive tract into the portal vein, and from there, into your systemic circulation. Your body's primary filtration defenses were not built for particles this size. They pass through largely undetected. Inside the bloodstream, these particles do not travel alone. Research has shown that nanoplastics bind to plasma proteins, effectively hitchhiking through your circulatory system on the very molecules your body uses to transport nutrients and signals. They travel at high velocity through your arteries and veins, interacting with red blood cells and abrading vascular walls as they circulate. And this is not a one-time event. Every bottle, every day, the total plastic load accumulating in the average adult bloodstream is now immeasurable. Documented medical reality confirmed in peer-reviewed studies identifying microplastics directly within human arterial tissue. But the bloodstream is not the final destination. These particles embed in soft tissue, in the liver, in the kidneys. Researchers have now detected them in proximity to the blood-brain barrier, one of the most protected structures in the human body. Once embedded, your immune system responds the only way it knows how. It attacks. But polyethylene is indigestible. Immune cells cannot break it down, so the attack continues, chronically triggering a sustained inflammatory response inside the very organs keeping you alive. This is what scientists mean when they speak of a new biological baseline. Human tissue in 2026 now routinely contains synthetic polymers, not as contamination, as permanent structural occupation. So what can you actually do? The most effective immediate intervention is reducing the friction at the source. Switching to glass or stainless steel bottles eliminates the primary shedding mechanism entirely. High-grade filtration systems using activated carbon and reverse osmosis significantly reduce nanoplastic load in tap water, and avoiding heat-exposed or UV-damaged plastic bottles left in cars, in direct sunlight, or reused beyond their intended lifespan reduces particle release by a documented margin. This is not about fear. It is about precision. Your body is a biological system that has spent millions of years adapting to natural chemistry. It was not designed for synthetic polymers, and it is telling us that clearly. The shift from temporary hydration to long-term biological preservation starts with one decision. Make it today. If this changed the way you see your water bottle, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and follow this channel for more content that shows you exactly what is happening inside your body.